Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Notion for investor SOPs and repeatable acquisition checklists. Complete guide step by step clearly. Open your Notion application or website. Create a new workspace dedicated to investor standard operating procedures. Name your workspace something relevant, like Investor SOPs. Start by adding a new database for your acquisition checklists. Select Table as the database type for easy management. Label your table as Acquisition Checklists. Create relevant columns for the table, such as deal name, status, date started, and notes. Add a column for Configure the tasks column to allow multiple entries for repeatability. Begin populating the table with a sample acquisition checklist. Break down the acquisition process into key stages. In each stage, list specific tasks to complete. Include deadlines for each task to ensure timely progress. Utilize tags or status indicators to track completion. Make use of Notion's template feature for standardizing future checklists. Create a template for your acquisition checklists based on your initial setup. Test the template to ensure all necessary components are included. Share the workspace with team members who will be involved in acquisitions. Encourage team members to provide feedback on the checklist structure. Make revisions based on the feedback to enhance its usability. Set up regular review sessions to keep the SOPs up to date. Implement a training session for new team members on using the Notion workspace. Continuously refine the process as your investment strategy evolves. Leverage Notion's integration features for additional tools your team may use. Ensure everyone is aware of the importance of following the checklists. Create a backup of your workspace periodically to avoid data loss. Monitor the effectiveness of your SOPs over time with metrics and results. Adjust your checklists based on the outcomes of past acquisitions. Foster a culture of improvement and adaptation within your investment team. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.